Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this baddie right here. Yes, I call all my wigs baddies because I'm just a baddie in them and they're baddies, period. So that's just what it is. So anyways, but today's video is going to be on this baddie right here. Now before we start any of all the details about this unit, I'm going to show you, of course, the install portion of it. Super quick and easy install. So I will see you guys after that. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion of this video. Now it's time to get into the real details of it. So this unit, I got this unit from Wig Types. I'm reading off of my phone. Got this unit from Wig Types for $18.94. Super cheap. The original color that I wanted was the FF Hot Cocoa or Hot Choco, I don't know, Hot Cocoa, but I got it in an FF Cream, which I really actually like this. I think I like this better than what I've seen. So yeah, I like it. Now, so we have 5 inches of parting space just right here. There is literally only lace right here. There is no lace all throughout the perimeter of it. It's just right there, which is okay. And it did come with baby hair, so I did a little bit on this side over here, and then I just did a little bit on that side. Just something super easy, just subtle. I did add powder into the part. It came with 3 combs. You have 2 right up in here, and then you have 1 in the back, of course, and you also have adjustable straps. This is really good. The colors in this is just amazing. Like the highlight colors in here is just really bomb. Like this is like cute, like, and even though it only has the parting space right there, me looking at it, I'm like, this looks like I got like a sew-in on my head or something, like, or like a what's it called, a closure like wig or something. It's not, you wouldn't think that it was just this part right here with the lace, but that's okay. I feel like if you really wanted to, you could move it, but I really like it as a middle part. I think it looks really cute. I've been trying to like step out of my comfort zone. My comfort zone has always been like side parts, so I'm trying to do like something different, so I decided to just go with a middle part again. So yeah, I haven't experienced any shedding with this so far. No shedding at all, no tangling, but like I say always, when you have synthetic units like this, it's best to carry a brush or something with you, just so you'll be able to like brush through it if it did like tangle or at the ends. But all in all, just looking at it right now, I don't think it's gonna do too much of tangling and too much out of the, you know, out of the ordinary. It's definitely worth the $19 that I spent. I'm not sure if I said it, but I got it from WIG types. I'm not really sure, but it's big head friendly. I did put my adjustable straps on, of course, and it's fitting pretty snug on my head. I really like it. And I also did take my bed head holding spray just to slick this down, just to make it as flat, because I'm starting to really like when the units are like super flat right here. I just like it better when it's flat like that. It just works better for me, you know. So yeah, this is definitely a really like cute everyday. You can wear this like every day. It can be like going out for brunch with the girls. It can be going on vacation, anything, anywhere you can wear this type of wig. So I would say like I really love it a lot. This is really cute. I'm really feeling myself. I've been stepping out of my just black wigs. I've been doing a lot of color lately. I advise anybody, you know, with everything going on, to lift your spirits. Try color in your hair, whether it's a wig or whether it's your real hair. Just trying new things. So this is something new for me, like wearing colors like all the time and stuff like that. So I really like it. Definitely think about taking this on vacation with me, because this is really cute. Yeah, I'm going on vacation. Who cares? Like, yeah, it's a pandemic going on, but I'm going on vacation. I know the precautions. I know to be safe and all that jazz. So I don't need to know all that. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit. It is really cute. You're definitely going to see me in this unit. I'm wearing it like in a few of my pictures, because a bitch is feeling herself like completely. Like, I can't stop looking in the mirror like, girl, you look good as fuck. No, okay, anyways, no, but anyway, that's all I have to say about this unit right here. Make sure you comment down below, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.